You like your lollipop? Why is your shirt pulled up?
What's wrong with your plane? We had a bumpy landing.
You got fat bellies? You got fat bellies?
Till it rolls on the ground and picks up speed. And you can't do that with 2 flat tires.
Well, we can help.
Ella, what do you have? What is that? You got a lollipop? You like it? It's good? Oh, sticky. Sticky. Put it in your mouth. Mmm. It's good? You like it? No fingers. Put it in your mouth. Lick it. Good job. Mmm. It's good lollipop, Ella?
Roller skates have wheels. Being a mechanic and all, I say the giant roller skates should get the plane a-rolling. We got ears. Say cheers.
Is that your first lollipop? Where'd Daddy go? Look at all your boo-boos. You need to quit falling down. Your shirt is too small.
Captain Pluto says thanks a bunch. Is there anything we can do for you?
Well, we're looking for a jigsaw puzzle piece.
Are you digging that lollipop? Watching Mickey. Is that the life?
Oh, goody.
Is that the life?
Exactly what we're looking for.
Then it's all yours, Daisy O'Dea.
Oh my.
Are you licking it?
It's that
Lick it, lick it, lick it. Pete? You like Pete?
Whoa, I wonder if Safari Pete is after the puzzle piece so he can get to the golden boo-boo first.
Not while Daisy O'Dea.
No, put that lollipop in your mouth. Thank you.
I believe that belongs to
It's
us.
sticky. You don't want to touch anything else.
That was pretty brave and clever, Daisy O'Dea. But you haven't seen the last of me yet. So there.
Is it good?
Phew, that was close.
You like that lollipop, Ella?
Now there's 2 more to go. Any idea where we can find
Where's Pete?
Let's see. We got the puzzle piece from Trader Dawn in the market.
Mmm, lollipop. Say lollipop. Pop. Not gonna say lolly? Say lolly. Lollipop.
Looks like our next stop is
Say lollipop.
the marketplace.
Hello. Your hair is funny. You got bedhead. You liking that lollipop? Is it good?
We had time for shopping, Trader
Yes?
Dawn, but we're looking for a puzzle piece.
No bite. That's right. You just lick. Good girl, listener. No bite. You hurt your teeth. You just lick it. Okay?
Do you see a puzzle piece?
Uh-oh.
That's it.
Sticky. Wrong side. Turn it around. Goofy. Oh, you're going to be a mess.
Well,
Lick it, lick it, lick it.
will you help me play Trader Dawn's
Pete.
Where's Pete?
This